I made this fairy house using a Clorox bottle. The black outline is a Sharpie. I just traced around the lid and made a curve right there so it looks like you have a flower. I'll turn it around. See, then the handle. Make that green. And trace the outline to the bottle with your black Sharpie. So right there I did some more curves. Now the door, I didn't have a ruler to draw the lines, so I used an envelope. That works really handy if you don't have a ruler. And I used a Sharpie to draw it out. Then I put a scissor in the middle of it and cut it out very carefully and painted it inside. Now the paint I used is Patio Outdoor paint. Now the inside, apple green. Okay, and there's the blue I used. And the pink. The yellow for the bottom. And the orange. I painted the yellow first, and when it was dry, I put a light brush over it of the orange to give it the yellow and orange look. Let's see if I can get it. Here, see? So it looks like a goldy yellow. Like I said, I put a very light bit of orange so you can still see the yellow through it. Now make sure the inside is nice and dry before you put a fairy or any furniture that you want to put inside of it. Now this paint, you have to let it dry 72 hours before you can put your fairy house outside. Please let me know what you think in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe, then hit the notification bell to get notified when my next video is uploaded. Thank you for watching.